Hey y'all, are you ready to bring a little bit of outdoors into your homeschooling routine? Well, get ready because today I have just the thing for you. Join me as we dive into the world of nature study in a way that is fun, easy, and oh so rewarding. Nature study is the perfect way to teach your children about the world around them. It's such a tangible way that they can see it, they can touch it, they can smell it, they can taste it. So let's get started with a few tips on making the most of your nature study experience. So let's start with choosing the location. You do not have to go far to get started. You can go right outside your door or to the local park that maybe you already go to on a regular basis. Start with what is close and familiar, and actually you're going to start to become more familiar with these places. And what you'll notice is that you'll start to make them your own. You'll start to meet new friends. You'll be able to name trees. You'll be able to name flowers. And these trees and these flowers do become friends that you start to watch and observe over the year. Next, let's talk about supplies. I think we get really hung up on what you need. All you need is a blank sheet of paper and a pencil. With my kids, I like to have a hard cover blank sketchbook, and that's it, and a pencil. Very simple, guys. Now let's talk about making observations. You can use your cell phone to help you take pictures and identify things so that when you're making your observations, you can name the things, but that is not necessary at all. What you want to do as you are making your observations is encourage your children to look more closely. Earlier, I had talked about what they can see, what they can touch, what they can smell, what they can taste. Just go through the five senses and really start there. What can you see? What can you hear? What can you smell? And what that does is it starts to make us more aware of what's around us. And what's great is they will start making observations about what they already know. Oh, I smell the rain. Oh, I hear the birds. You know, these are things that are already around, and then they get wins. They get to know that, yeah, they are also little nature explorers themselves. Now, if you want a little bit more help about what exactly to put into your nature journals, I have a guide that you can download, and it's linked down in the description. It'll take you through the study of flowers, so check it out. Finally, let's talk about incorporating nature study into your homeschooling routine. What we like to do is after we have about 30 to 45 minutes of math, then we all stop and we go for a walk. We walk around our neighborhood. We live in a subdivision. It's just a very normal suburban area. We do have some woods nearby that we can walk through sometimes, but for the most part, it's just walk up and down the street, see what's in bloom, see what's happening with the trees, and that's it. So friends, I hope that this video was helpful in getting you started in nature study. And remember, nature study is a wonderful way to connect with the natural world through God's creation and also inspire in your children a love for learning. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna leave you with a quote. This is by John Muir. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. See you next time.